Let's talk with the true false today. With the today lecture, I'm going to talk about the true false not given question type in the IELTS reading. It is considered one of the most trickiest type of questions in the IELTS, but I don't believe it because it's not difficult. Yeah, it is technical a little bit. You must know firstly how to do this type of test. In the true false not given questions, you were given some statements and you have to find the statement in the passage, but you are not gonna find it or get it in the passage exactly as it is. But what is the difference over here? That would be that the statement would be completely different, if not completely, but up to some extent. If you look at it, for example, you have a statement that Englopak Institute is located on 6th Road, Rawalpindi. This is a statement. You are going to get the keywords and clear your concept what the statement talks about. You have underlined few of the keywords like englopak, 6th Road. These are the main keywords. Now you're gonna get this and stop fishing in the passage. You will get the keywords at the specific place. You need to read for a while, and after they compare and contrast, get it either the statement in the question is available in the passage. If yes, that's true. If not available, congratulations, that is not given. But if there is some difference, then that could be false. Now, how and either these questions would be in the sequence in the passage or not? Exactly, yes, it is. It would be in the sequence after one after one, after each other, it will come in the passage. For example, the first statement you got in the first paragraph, after the second would be in the second paragraph, or maybe in a similar paragraph after the first question. Right, you get the first one that is true, not given, or false. Right, the first statement is true, for instance. Get the second one and find it out. It's not getting, you're not getting it. No problem, relax. Step number 3, leave number 2. Number 3, you get number 3 in the third paragraph or at the end of the second paragraph. Very good, congratulations, that is true. But the second one is not available in the passage, so that's not given. And like that, go forward. You need to underline a few things in the statement: the subject, the verb, and the object. And also find some main keyword like the numbers or the nouns. Those would be the way to get it through that. This is the best way to get your true false like that in the Cambridge book examinations, practice exams. The best way to go for the reading and to accelerate great score, you need to have a good reading comprehension skills. You need by every day to read a newspaper, article, not word-to-word reading. Read quickly, get an idea, improve your comprehension skill. Try to understand the context, not the words. Don't try to understand the words in the passage. You will lose marks. Time management is very important. Have any question, please write and comment. Thank you very much.